It's truly the season of price hikes if you're living in Karnataka. After fuel and milk, now the public might as well have to pay more for from their pockets for auto travel. This, remember, as auto drivers in the state are demanding a hike in the base fares. A memorandum has been submitted to the governor in this regard. They want the minimum fare to be hiked to 20 rupees from the current 15. They also want the per 2-kilometer fare to be increased to 40 rupees from the present 30. The drivers are citing a rise in prices of essentials for the hike in the base fare. They also claim that the fares haven't been revised in the past 8 years. Let me go across to my colleague Neha for more on this. Neha, first fuel, then milk, and now auto fares is something that people of Karnataka will be looking at when they talk about price hike. But now that this memorandum has been submitted to the governor, any word from the governor's office or the government as to what will be the plan ahead? Will that price see a rise there in auto fares?
Well, one thing that we know about autos and auto drivers in Bengaluru is the kind of menace that it's become, how people, today are, as it is, struggling with auto drivers demanding extremely high amounts, even during the regular hours, let alone the peak hours. And at a time like this now, auto drivers there writing to the government, of course, seeking a price hike, is something that could be quite concerning here, because as it is, most of the autos in Bengaluru are currently not regulated. They do not switch on their meters. In fact, most of them, of course, go on to charge whatever comes to their mind. The Bengaluru police, of course, earlier this week, in fact, took up a drive where they were cracking down on all auto drivers who were not abiding by the law. And at a time like this, a price hike now that's been proposed by the auto drivers, whether the government considers this proposal or not, is, really going to be quite detrimental over here for the commuters in Bengaluru, as auto drivers, of course, today as autos rather, are an extremely popular mode of transport in the city.
Right, Neha, thanks very much for joining us with those details. Let's move